Moana 2 is the highly anticipated sequel to Disney's 2016 animated blockbuster Moana. Scheduled for release in November 2024, the film continues the journey of the courageous Polynesian navigator Moana of Motunui as she sails into uncharted waters for a mission that could change the future of her people and the world. Set 3 years after the events of the first film, Moana 2 opens with Moana now acting as a wise and beloved leader of her island. She has helped restore harmony to the environment, and her people have embraced their ancestral role as wayfinders. But Moana soon begins having vivid dreams and hearing mysterious calls from across the ocean, voices urging her to venture far beyond the horizon. The ocean, once again her guide, presents her with a new purpose: to unite the scattered people of the Pacific Islands and confront an ancient threat rising from the depths of the forgotten seas. This threat, tied to lost history and the mythological origins of the ocean itself, puts nature and all island nations in jeopardy. Realizing she cannot face this alone, Moana seeks help from her old companion, Maui the demigod, voiced again by Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson. Maui, now humbled and reflective, agrees to join her once more, but their bond is tested as the stakes are far greater than ever before. Along the way, Moana and Maui are joined by new characters from distant islands, including Kele, a spirited navigator, Leilani, a sea guardian with magical abilities, and Toko, a comic relief sea turtle with a heart of gold. Together, they explore new marine worlds, encounter ancient spirits, battle storm beasts, and face a mysterious force known only as the Deep Silence. The film continues its themes of identity, heritage, environmental respect, and leadership, while introducing the next generation to new Polynesian legends and spiritual traditions. The music, once again featuring songs by Lin-Manuel Miranda, blends traditional Pacific rhythms with modern melodies, creating another unforgettable soundtrack. Moana 2 is a story about courage, connection, and legacy. It shows that being a leader doesn't mean having all the answers, but being brave enough to seek them, no matter how far they lie. As Moana journeys across new frontiers, she inspires audiences young and old to follow the call within. Thanks for watching. If like this video, please like, subscribe, and share.